Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pack wheel bearings. Now, believe it or not, this process is actually really simple and you don't need a whole lot. Mainly just your hands, some gloves, some grease, and the wheel bearings. Of course, before you do start to pack your wheel bearings, you want to make sure that all the old grease has been cleaned out of the wheel bearings to start out with. You can use mineral spirits or a parts washer and wash all that nasty grease out of the wheel bearing before you do this. I like to start with fresh, clean wheel bearings. Now, if you get brand new wheel bearings, they're already going to be clean. You don't need to do all that. So to start out with, you need to get whatever bearing grease your vehicle is compatible with. Go ahead and dig right on in the bearing grease there. Get a good little dollop. Place it on the palm of your hand like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your wheel bearing and you're going to roll with this hand and make a motion sort of like this. You're going to go down and rake, down and rake, down and rake. Now, you don't go that slow really when you're actually doing it. You just kind of go like that. Now you can see there's actually some grease coming through those bearings right there, those three spots right there. So we're actually achieving our goal in packing this wheel bearing. So we're going to keep on going. We're going to rotate this bearing just a little bit. We're going to proceed to keep packing it. And you can see that grease is coming through right there. You just keep rotating it. Until your bearing is completely packed. Take a little extra grease there. Pack it in on the back side here just like that. And you got a nice coating of grease all the way around there. That bearing is good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. That's really simple. Not a whole lot to this. Once you're done packing your wheel bearings, go ahead and wipe your hands off, discard your gloves, and you're good to go. Now, while the scope of this video is actually just to show you how to pack wheel bearings and that alone, there's actually more to this than just packing your wheel bearings. Of course, those wheel bearings go into a hub that have wheel bearing races in them, and then that hub goes onto a spindle. Those components also need to be cleaned of all the old grease, and new fresh grease needs to be reapplied to those surfaces as well. That's not shown in this video though. This video is just to show you how to pack the bearings themselves. So folks, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Also, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. There may be some things I need to clarify, and that's where I do that. Also, please read the disclaimer at the very end of it as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.